Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of airdrops and how you can earn some extra cryptocurrency by participating in these giveaways. Remember, always prioritize safety and do your own research before getting involved. So, what is an airdrop? It's essentially a free cryptocurrency giveaway to users who meet certain criteria. The process is straightforward. 1. Join the Telegram group of the crypto project offering the airdrop. 2. Follow them on Twitter and like or retweet their announcement post. 3. Sign up for their website using an ERC20 wallet like MetaMask. 4. Fill out a form with your ERC-20 wallet address to claim your tokens. 5. Wait for the tokens to be distributed, usually within 2 weeks. 6. Check your balance and voila, you've earned some free cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that not all airdrops are legitimate, so be cautious and do your research before participating. Additionally, remember that earning from cryptocurrency subject to capital gains tax in most countries, so make sure you report it if necessary. That's it for today's guide on how to earn money from airdrops. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Happy earning, crypto lovers!